In the new iOS 27 beta update, you can now customize Siri's voice more than ever. Want to customize your own? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to customize Siri's voice on iPhone. Now let's get started. To get access to these Siri voice customization options, you'll need to have updated your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To customize Siri's voice on iPhone, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Siri. Then select Voice. Here you can choose between the available voice options. First, choose what type of accent you'd like Siri to have. In English, you can choose an American accent, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, or South African. Each has different voice options. Tap through the colored dots to hear a preview of each voice option. Once you've found one that you like, use the sliders below to adjust Siri's speaking pace and level of expressivity. Choose how quickly and how expressively you want Siri to speak. A slower, more monotonous voice is more reminiscent of previous versions of Siri, but the new Siri with a more expressive voice setting sounds like much more realistic speech. Siri will continue speaking as you adjust your settings, so you can hear a preview of how it will sound. This is how Siri will sound while you're speaking to Siri, in the Maps app, and in Safari. Your settings adjustments will be saved automatically, so when you're happy with it, you can close your settings and continue using your iPhone as normal. That's all it takes to customize Siri's voice on iPhone in iOS 27.
Expect some clear skies in Toronto today.
Want to try out the new Siri app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.